But
oh no. Don't talk on your back. Don't talk on your back. Alright.
Yeah, when we get there, I'm gonna have to fly out.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, we're clear, so I should be safe to. Oh my god.
We're good. Can't hate more shit like that. Oh my god, how? How the fuck did they? This thing's a piece of shit. There we go, put him in the fucking thing. It doesn't let us, like, choose where
Yeah, fuck that Charles Frankie. Fuck him. All his fucking cowboy hat, the other started fucking pegging it.
This is so fucking stupid.
Did you put?
There's a thing at the house, no?
What happened?
There's a revive thing at that house.
Yeah, I don't think they have that anymore.
Okay.
They haven't had fucking Crim Doc in months, dude. Hey, what's going on, James? I was running for like fucking 6 cops.
Bro, I didn't know you could shoot
I
through the
have
bar.
no fucking idea.
Oh.
Oh my god, they fell out again. I have no fucking clue.
Just freaking hold them.
Did you make that money back, or did you get fucked again?
Hey, is Jesus good back there?
Yeah, we got
Not
him.
on radio,
He's
but
dead.
okay. Okay.
Alright.
It's not letting me see them from here, but
Jesus is a homie, bro.
I'll figure out who the fuck that is.
bro, I don't know why was the alien cop escorting another cop?
I gotta go get a fucking Crim Doc. 2 of my boys are dead.
What do you mean?
So I gotta figure this out.
The alien cop, when we rolled up, the alien cop was
What are you aiming at?
bro, that dude pulled a gun out right when we pulled up. Did you not see that?
I don't know what the fuck he's doing, but you can aim him.
Anyway, the alien cop was escorting another cop,
Yeah, I seen that.
and they both got just blicked
The
hard.
bank?
No, when we went to go pick Isaac back up, the fucking alien was holding the kid dead, and we just lit him the fuck up.
Why? Because I killed him when we got out the first time.